The three-piece rail assembly, mounting the rail to the operator, and the trolley assembly, the different types of installation, different types of doors, and the trolley adjustment, how to mount your operator for sectional door, hanging your operator using the back hang angle iron and the door bracket, the door arm for sectional doors, the radio control key switch, and the hard wiring, the limit adjustments and the light cover, the force adjustments, the one-piece door installation, the height of installation for your back hangs, your back hangs limit adjustments, your one-piece door, how to mount your door arm, your radio controls, your receiver and transmitter, transmitter once more, wiring diagram of the receiver and transmitter, of the radio controls, operation of your opener page, zoom in as needed, stop at any time, wiring diagram, first of two main wiring diagrams, the second wiring diagram, stop as needed, and zoom in, the rail assembly and trolley, the chassis assembly and motor assembly, and the warranty and agreements. The back of this turned into a radio, the front of this turned into a radio, the side of this turned into a radio. We used the license plate, two license plates bolted together for the lid, some old ones that we had. The radio controls, the receiver and transmitter, the rail assembly, trolley assembly, closer up. Some different parts I've kept over the years. This is the chain spreader pulley, the bracket for the chain spreader pulley, and the light sockets that I kept for who knows what. The pulley and cable assembly, and the bolt and pin. Thank you for watching, and as always I encourage you everyone to praise the Lord and comment, rate, and subscribe.